Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalay Varje Pune. We will continue the chapter Arithmetic Progression. Today we will learn nth term of an AP. First term of an AP is nothing but T1 is equal to A and common difference is equal to D. To find the second term, we have to add common difference in the first term. That means T1 plus D. First term T1 is nothing but A plus common difference is nothing but D. Here the coefficient of common difference D is 1. So where to express 1 in terms of 2. 1 is nothing but 2 minus 1. Therefore A plus into bracket 2 minus 1 into D. 2 minus 1 is nothing but how much? 1. To find third term, we add common difference in the second term. That means T3 is equal to T2 plus common difference D is equal to T2 is nothing but how much? A plus D. Therefore, substitute the value of T2 here, A plus D, and plus D at it is. D plus D is nothing but 2 into D. Now express the coefficient of D in terms of 3. Therefore 2 is equal to how much? 3 minus 1 into coefficient D at it is. Now T4 is equal to, where to add common difference in the third term, that means T3 plus D. But T3 is nothing but how much? A plus 2D, and D at it is 2D plus D. How much? 2D plus D is nothing but 3D, therefore A plus 3D. We have to express 3 in terms of 4. 3 is equal to 4 minus 1, therefore A plus into bracket 4 minus 1 into D. We continue up to n terms. Then how to write the n term? First term A at it is, we subtract 1 from 4, 1 from 3, 1 from 2, therefore we subtract 1 from n, therefore n minus 1 into D. इथे लक्षात घ्या डी चा जो कोइफिशियंट आहे तो काय होतो लक्षात घ्या, ह्या टर्म पेक्षा एक ने कमी होतो, म्हणजे टर्म नंबर ऑफ टर्म मधून एक सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा, तो येणार आहे डी चा कोइफिशियंट. therefore we n term of an AP is given by Tn is equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. This is the formula of n term of an AP. Now we solve the practice set 3.2. Example number 1. Write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. First example is given 1, 8, 15, 22, so on. Here A is nothing but first term equal to 1. That means T1 here first term is 1. T2 means second term. Here second term is 8. T3 is nothing but third term. Here third term is 15. Fourth term is 22, so on. T2 minus T1. T2 is nothing but second term. Here second term is 8. Minus first term is 1. 8 minus 1 is nothing but how much? 7. Now T3 minus T2. Which is the third term in this sequence? 15 is the third term. Minus at it is, which is the second term in this sequence? 8 is the second term in this sequence. 15 minus 8 is nothing but how much? 7. Here the difference between consecutive term is constant. Therefore D is equal to how much? 7. Second example, negative 3, negative 8, negative 13, negative 18, so on. Here the first term A is negative 3. That means T1 is equal to negative 3. Which is the second term in this sequence? Negative 8. Therefore T2 is equal to how much? Negative 8. Which is the third term in this sequence? That means T3 is equal to how much? Negative 13. And T4 is equal to negative 18. Now to find the difference between consecutive term, that means T2 minus T1, which is the second term of this sequence? Negative 8 is the second term, minus into bracket, which is the first term in this sequence? Negative 3. Now negative 8 at it is, minus into minus becomes as plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3, that means 8 has a negative sign and 3 has a positive sign. That means these two numbers have opposite sign. Therefore, we have to take subtraction. Then to take a subtraction between these two number, which is the greater number here? 8 is the greater number. Therefore, give the sign of 8. And 8 minus 3 is nothing but how much? 5. Therefore, negative 8 plus 3 is nothing but negative 5. Now to find the difference between third term and second term, here third term is negative 13, minus into bracket, second term is negative 8. Negative 13 at it is, minus into minus becomes as plus 8. Here 13 is greater than 8, therefore give the sign of 13, because 13 has a negative sign 8 and 8 has a positive sign. That means these two numbers have opposite sign, therefore we have to take subtraction. Give the sign of greater number. Here 13 is greater than 8, therefore give the sign of greater number. Minus 13 minus 8 is nothing but 5, therefore negative 5. Therefore here a is nothing but first term. Which is the first term? Here negative 3. And which is the common difference? Negative 5. Such type of example asked in the second question. Decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 20th term of given progression. Negative 12, negative 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30, so on. The given sequence is negative 12, negative 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30. Here first term T1 is negative 12, second term is negative 5, third term is 2, fourth term is 9, so on. When the given sequence is AP, if the common difference is constant, therefore to find the common difference we have to subtract second term from first term. Here second term is negative 5, minus into bracket first term is negative 12. Negative 5 at it is, minus into minus becomes as plus 12. Here 5 and 12 has opposite side, therefore we have to take subtraction. Here 12 is greater than 5, therefore give the sign of 12 and subtract 5 from the 12. How much? 12 minus 5 is nothing but 7. This is the equation number 1. Now to find the difference between third term and second term, therefore T3 minus T2. T3 is nothing but third term is 2, minus into bracket second term is negative 5. 2 at it is, minus into minus becomes as plus 5. 2 and 5 has same sign, therefore we have to take addition. 2 plus 5 is nothing but 7. Now the difference between fourth term and third term, therefore T4 minus T3. T4 is nothing but 9 minus T3 is nothing but 2. 9 minus 2 is nothing but 7. Here from 1, 2 and 3, the difference between consecutive term is 7, which is constant. Therefore T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3 is equal to 7, which is constant. Therefore the given sequence is an AP. Now to find the 20th term, we know that the n term of an AP is equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. First term is given negative 12. We have to find the 20th term, therefore n is equal to how much? 20, and D is nothing but 7. Substitute this value, we will get T20. N is nothing but 20, therefore T20 is equal to A is nothing but negative 12 plus into bracket N is nothing but 20 minus 1 at it is into D is 7. Now first we take subtraction. 20 minus 1 is nothing but 19, therefore negative 12 at it is, T20 is equal to negative 12 plus 20 minus 1 is nothing but 19 into 7. Now we have to take multiplication of 19 and 7. Therefore T20 is equal to negative 12 at it is, 19 sevens are 133. T20 is equal to 133 minus 12 is nothing but 121. Therefore 20 term of an AP is 121. Therefore T20 is equal to 121. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Also share this video and like this video. Thank you.